Class 10th, Subject Geography. Chapter number 2, Location and Extent. Name of the country, Republic of India. Name of the capital, New Delhi. India is the second most populated country in the world. It is famous for its rich variety of spices, which add unique flavors to food across the globe. Cricket, the most popular sport here, unites millions of people with passion and excitement. Location, extent, and boundaries. India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the earth. It is situated in the southern part of the Asian continent. With the help of figure, we can find the extent of the mainland India. The mainland of India stretches from 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and between 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Name of the country, Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of the capital, Brasilia. Location, extent and boundaries. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere, in the northern part of the South American continent. With the help of figure, we can find the extent of the mainland Brazil. The mainland of Brazil stretches from 5 degree 15 minutes north latitude to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude and between 34 degree 47 minutes west longitude to 73 degree 48 minutes west longitude. This vast extent shows that some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, Brazil lies entirely in the western hemisphere, in the northern part of the South American continent. Historical background of India. India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 centuries. India got its independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine situations in various parts, and similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country of the world. India is considered to be a global market too. Because of various economic reforms from time to time, India's economic development has paced up. The proportion of youth in India's population is high. As this forms a major part of the working population, India is looked upon as a young country. Historical background of Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. Brazil gained its independence in 1822. From 1930 to 1985, for more than half a century, it was under a populist military government. It overcame global financial difficulties in the late 20th century. Today, Brazil is seen as a contributor to the economic growth of the world and an important market for the future. Do you know? We celebrate our Independence Day on August 15th, whereas Brazil celebrates its Independence Day on September 7th. India has a federal parliamentary republic type of government, whereas Brazil has a federal presidential republic type of government. The name Brazil comes from pau-brasil, a local wooded tree. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra Board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
Introducing Hope Publications ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है।
अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव।
अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है। साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।